Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have this really nice, elegant, natural glam look. If you guys like this look, please keep on watching. But before you watch it, please give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe. Let's get on to the video. Okay, so I started off with a nice clean face, and before we do the rest of my face, I'm gonna put my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Pro Filter. And this is really good because my skin is so oily when I sweat and stuff like that. And today is going to be tonight it's going to be really hot since I'm going clubbing. And my skin has broken out heaps, guys, so I'm really sorry that you have to see my pimples. But I'm just, just taking in my flaws and being happy, because if I stress about them, I'm gonna have more pimples because I'm stressed. Okay, so to bronze up my face a bit, can you see this tan line? Okay, so I'm going in with my Custom Enhancer drops, and it's in the color Light Copper. And I never tried this before, so like I don't know how this is gonna look, but I'm just like, it's not like coming out, but oh. So nice, guys, so nice.
Can't touch this. You can't touch.
Hello?
Hi.
Hey, did you get my Snapchat?
No, I opened it now.
Oh no, it's okay. Mum said we can pick you up on the way as well because it's on the way. Ready at the moment, so I'll see you later. Can you send me your address? Okay, cool. I'll see you soon, babe. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm just going in with my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ash Brown. And as you can see, that they're pretty harsh, like on the inner corners. So what I like to do, I like to get like a little brush and then just like carve it out a bit, so it's like an ombre kind of look, and so it's not too harsh, so it looks more natural. Just like that, and just conceal. And then just blend that out. And then what I like to do, I like to get a bit more of the brown and then just go over my brow just to make it more thicker and more defined. So these are my eyebrows, and they're really nice. Foundation, I'm going in with two of my foundations, the Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation Concealer, and these are both in the color Golden Sand, and this is just sand. But these are like two totally different colors, so I have to mix it. And make sure just to put it on your jawline as well. And I'm going in with my little buffing brush and just blending that all in. I found that if you use a brush to blend in your foundation, you get more of a full coverage. But if you use like a blending, your beauty blender to blend it all in, it's still coverage, but it's not as full as like a brush would do. So what I like to do, I like to blend in with my brush, and then go over it in with my beauty blender. contouring, I'm going to go in with my contour collection by Models Prefer. I'm going to get the darker shade and just start to contour. Set my face, I'm going to be using my mineralized MAC skin finish, and this is in the color medium dark, and just kind of just tap on my face just to set it. I'm going to be using my Sephora bronzer palette, and this is the limited edition. I'm going to go in with my little buffing brush. For blush on, I'm going in with this palette from BH Cosmetics, and it's called Tulip, and I'm just going in with the pinky color and just putting that on my cheeks. So going in with my eyes, I'm going in with my Morphe palette. I don't know what palette this is though. I think it's the 35T. And I'm just gonna go in with this brush. I'll zoom in a bit. Okay. I'm gonna go in with that color. Okay, I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette now, because I feel like it will have more variety of colours. I'm going to go in with this reddy colour, and just putting that on my crease. Oh, that's really red. Okay, I'm going to blend that in. Okay, so now I'm going in with this brown colour and just blend that over the red.
Okay, so I'm getting a flat brush and just spraying that. I'm going to go in with this pink ready gold, rose gold shade and just put that in the centre.
And bring it out in the corner. Okay, so now I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera and I'll come back to you guys. Okay, so I did my eyeliner and mascara off camera. I'm just going to spray my face with makeup spray and makeup finishing spray, and this is by Australis. For highlight, I'm going in with my Nude Edit Baked Iron Cheek palette by Sport Girl, and I'm going to be using this shade here. for lips, I'm going in with my Lip Chalk Matte Lip Cream in the colour Vertigo.
And I'm going to mix that because that's going to line them.
So this is the finished look. This is like my natural glam. Like it's not like too overboard, but it's just like nice and elegant kind of looking. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you please liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe and please comment down below on what other videos you would like me to do in the future. But other than that, thank you guys so much for supporting me. Thank you for everyone who has subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I love you all. Thank you guys so much. Mwah.